Hazel, look at this message I just got.
What is it?
Hi Mark, I have a job interview tomorrow in English. I'm so nervous. What if they ask me to describe my job experience?
Oh no, that's stressful.
And you know what? I get this question very often.
Me too. How do I talk about my job? What should I say in an interview? I always sound boring.
So today, we're going to fix this problem, once and for all.
We're going to teach you exactly what to say. No more nervousness. No more boring answers.
In just 15 minutes, you'll be able to describe your job like a pro.
Are you ready? Because we're starting right now.
Just Easy English Podcast.
Welcome to Just Easy English Podcast. I'm Mark.
And I'm Hazel.
We're here to help you speak English confidently.
Today's topic: how to talk about your job. This lesson will change how you introduce yourself in English.
Whether you're at a party, a networking event, or a job interview, you'll sound professional and interesting.
So hit subscribe if you want more practical English lessons like this.
Let's jump in.
Mark, I'd like to tell you about something awkward that happened to one of my students last week.
Ooh, story time. I love this.
So my student, Claudia, she is from Spain and she's been learning English for 2 years. She's a really good student.
Okay.
Last week, she went to an international conference. Lots of foreign professionals, networking, coffee.
Sounds fancy.
Very fancy. So she's feeling confident, walking around with her name tag.
Oh, I sense problems coming.
And this friendly British man approaches her. Very polite, very professional.
Let me guess. He asked the question.
Yes. So, what do you do?
Classic, the most common question at any professional event.
And you know what she said?
What did she say?
I work in marketing.
That's it, just 4 words?
Just that. And then, complete silence.
Oh no!
The man just nodded, said, "Oh, nice," and walked away to talk to someone else.
Poor her, she must have felt terrible.
She called me that night, almost crying. She said, "Hazel, I studied English for 2 years, but when he asked me that simple question, my mind went blank."
Blank means empty, nothing there.
Exactly. She knew the words. She knew grammar. But in the moment, everything disappeared.
I totally understand. This happens to so many English learners.
The worst part? She said she had so much to say. She works on amazing projects, international campaigns, creative ideas.
But she couldn't express it.
Couldn't express it. She sounded boring, uninteresting, and that's not who she is.
This is such a common problem.
Which is why we're making this video, so our listeners don't make the same mistake.
Exactly, you shouldn't sound boring when you talk about your job. Your job is important.
Right. Whether you're a teacher, a doctor, a cashier, or a student, you should be able to describe it confidently.
Okay, confession time.
Yes, be honest with us.
When someone asks what do you do, in English, how prepared do you feel?
Comment below. Type ready if you feel confident and prepared.
Or type nervous if you feel unsure like Claudia.
No judgment here. This is a safe space. We just want to help you.
And if you type nervous, perfect, that's why you're here.
By the end of this video, you'll type ready. That's our promise.
So Hazel, why do you think this is so difficult for English learners?
I think it's because in casual conversation, we're not prepared.
What do you mean?
Like, if you're studying English, you might practice "How are you?" or "What's your name?" right?
Yes, those are beginner phrases.
But what do you do? Needs more than a simple answer. You need details. You need enthusiasm. You need a strategy.
Strategy, that's the word.
Most people don't have a strategy. They just say whatever comes to mind.
And what comes to mind is usually just the job title. I'm a teacher, I'm an engineer, end of story.
Exactly. But it's like someone asking what kind of music do you like, and you just say music.
I like music, nothing else, no details.
Right. It's technically an answer, but it tells you nothing. So boring. And you know what? Most people's jobs are not boring.
That's true, every job has interesting parts.
Yes, even jobs that seem simple have interesting details.
So the problem isn't the job, it's how we talk about the job.
Exactly. And that's what we're going to fix today.
We're going to give you a simple formula.
A formula that works for any job: teacher, doctor, engineer, student, artist, anything.
And the best part, it only takes 30 seconds to say.
30 seconds to sound professional, interesting, and confident.
Are you ready to learn it?
Let's teach them.
Okay, when someone asks what do you do, most people make one big mistake.
What mistake?
They give only one piece of information. I'm a teacher, I'm an engineer, I'm a doctor.
Right, just the job title.
But that's not enough. It's like telling someone you like music, but not saying what music.
Oh, so we need more information.
Exactly. You need 3 parts. I call it the 3-part formula.
3 parts? Tell me.
Part number 1, your job title.
The name of your job. I'm a nurse. I'm a designer. I'm a manager.
Yes, but don't stop there. Add part number 2, where or who.
Where means your workplace. Who means the people you serve.
Exactly. I work at Google, or I work with elderly patient, or I work for a startup company.
Okay, and part number 3?
Part number 3, what makes you special, your main responsibility, or your impact.
Impact means the difference you make.
Yes, I help companies grow their business, or I teach children to read, or I solve technical problems.
Wait. Let me see if I understand. Thinking face.
Try it, use your real job.
Okay, I'm an English teacher. That's part number 1.
Good, now part number 2.
I work at a language center with adult learners. That's part number 2.
Perfect, now part number 3.
I help them become more confident English speakers so they can advance in their careers.
Yes, that's so much better than I teach English.
I actually sound interesting now.
You sound professional, you sound passionate. You sound like someone people want to talk to.
Let me try with your job.
Okay.
You're an English content creator. Part number 1.
Great.
You work on YouTube with your co-host, Hazel. Part number 2. You create practical English lessons that help beginners speak with confidence. That's part number 3.
Perfect. See, the formula works.
But Mark, what if someone doesn't work? Like students?
Great question. Students can talk about their studies the same way.
How?
I'm a university student studying business management at XYZ University. I'm learning how to analyze markets and make strategic decisions for companies.
Yes, same formula, just different words.
Exactly, it works for everyone.
Okay, listeners, time to practice.
Pause this video right now. Don't skip this.
Think about your job or your studies.
Use the 3-part formula.
Part number 1. Job title. Part number 2. Where or who. Part number 3. Your impact.
Say it out loud. Even if you're alone, speaking practice is important.
Then write it in the comments. We want to see your answers.
We'll give you feedback. We'll help you improve.
Okay, now let's look at some real examples.
Let's practice with different jobs. I'll say a job, you describe it.
Challenge accepted, but make it interesting.
Okay, first job, barista, someone who makes coffee.
I'm a barista at a specialty coffee shop in the city center. I create custom drinks and help customers start their day with great coffee and positive energy.
Excellent. You added positive energy. That shows personality.
Thanks. Now you try. Job. Accountant.
Oh, I'm an accountant at a mid-sized manufacturing company. I manage financial records and help the company make smart decisions about spending and investments.
Good. You didn't just say I count money. You showed the value.
Exactly. Your answer should show why your job matters.
Next one. Sales representative.
I'm a sales representative for a pharmaceutical company. I visit hospitals and clinics to introduce new medical products that improve patient care.
Perfect. You connected sales to a bigger purpose, patient care.
Yes, always try to show the bigger picture.
Your turn to challenge me. Give me a tough one.
Okay, how about data analyst?
That's technical. Okay, I'm a data analyst at an e-commerce company. I study customer behavior patterns and help the marketing team understand what products people want to buy.
Wow, you made a technical job sound interesting.
Thanks. I avoided technical language. No complicated words.
That's important. Keep it simple, even if your job is complex.
Let's do more. Customer service officer.
I'm a customer service officer at a telecommunications company. I answer customer questions through phone, email, and chat, and I turn frustrated customers into happy ones.
I love that ending. Turn frustrated into happy.
It's true, that's the real skill.
Okay, one more. Freelance graphic designer.
Freelance means you work for yourself, not a company.
I'm a freelance graphic designer working with small businesses across Southeast Asia. I create logos, social media content, and branding materials that help businesses stand out in competitive markets.
Excellent, you mentioned the region and the impact.
See how specific details make you memorable.
Yes, generic answers are forgettable. Specific answers are memorable.
Okay, quick question for our listeners.
Which job example did you like best?
Barista, accountant, designer, something else.
Or better yet, tell us your job.
Use the comments. Say I'm a job and I want Marc and Hazel to describe it. Okay, but describing your job is just step 1.
What happens when people ask more questions?
Good point. Let's talk about that.
Okay, so you gave a great job description. Congratulations! But then the conversation continues.
Yes, people are curious. They ask more. So what are the most common follow-up questions?
I did research. I found the top 5.
Ooh, tell me.
Question number 1. How long have you been doing this?
Oh, time experience.
Yes, simple answer. I've been working as a teacher for 5 years.
Or I've been in this field since 2020.
Easy. Question number 2. Do you enjoy it?
The feelings question.
Yes, be enthusiastic. I love it. Every day is different and I learn something new.
Or be balanced. Most days I really enjoy it. It's challenging but rewarding.
Rewarding means gives you satisfaction, makes you feel good. Question number 3. What's the best part of your job?
Time to be positive.
The best part is definitely the people I work with. We're like a family.
Or the best part is solving problems. I love when a project succeeds.
Show your passion. Let your personality shine. Question number 4. What's the most challenging part?
Ooh, tricky. Don't complain too much.
Right, be honest but professional. The most challenging part is managing multiple deadlines, but I've learned to prioritize effectively.
Yes, you mention a challenge but also show you have a solution.
Exactly, and question number 5. What are your working hours? I work Monday to Friday, 9 to 6 inches, or I have flexible hours, or I work in shifts.
Shifts means rotating schedule. Morning, afternoon, night. Let's put it all together. Mini conversation time.
Okay, you'll be the curious person at a party.
Hi Marc, nice to meet you. So, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher on YouTube. I work with my co-host Hazel to create practical lessons for people learning English. We focus on helping beginners speak more confidently.
Oh wow, that sounds interesting. How long have you been doing that?
I've been creating English content for about 2 years now. It started as a hobby but became my passion.
That's great. What's the best part?
Definitely reading the comments. When someone says your video helped me get a job or I passed my exam, it makes everything worth it.
I bet. And what's the most challenging part?
Coming up with fresh topics. We want every video to be useful and interesting, so we do a lot of research. But honestly, it's a fun challenge.
It's natural conversations, not scripted.
If you can do this, you can talk about your job with anyone.
At networking events, at interviews, even on dates.
Especially on dates. What do you do? Is the second question after what's your name.
Wow, we packed so much into this lesson.
Let's do a lightning fast review.
The 3-part formula. Job title plus where or who plus impact.
Make it specific, make it interesting, show your personality.
Be ready for follow-up questions. How long? Do you enjoy it? Best part? Challenging part? And most importantly, practice.
Speaking out loud, writing it down, using it in real life.
Okay, here's what we want you to do.
3 missions. Can you complete all 3?
Mission number 1. Write your job description in the comments using our formula. Do it now.
Mission number 2. This week, use your new description in a real conversation, at work, at a party, anywhere.
Mission number 3. Come back and tell us how it went. Did people seem more interested? Did the conversation flow better?
If you complete all 3 missions, you win. You're officially a confident English speaker.
We'll be reading every comment. We'll help you improve your answers.
Before you close this video, hit that like button if this lesson helped you. It helps YouTube show our videos to more learners. Subscribe and turn on notifications. We post practical English lessons every week. And write your job description in the comments. Don't be shy. We're friendly.
We believe in you. You can speak English confidently. You can talk about your job like a pro. You just need the right formula, the right phrases, and the right practice.
So go, start practicing now. Thanks for learning with Just Easy English. See you in the next episode.